Hello friends and family, and welcome back to another March unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer and we do unboxing for subscriptions and also mystery boxes, usually makeup and beauty. So if you are interested in that, please think about joining the friends and family. I will soon be starting to do giveaways, just depends on how many followers I have, comments, and all of those things, but I have plenty of things to start doing giveaways. So I would love for you to consider joining so that we can start doing something like that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with Glossy Box March 2021. So Glossy Box is a beauty and makeup subscription. This is for $21 a month. Of course, the more months you subscribe for at once, the lower the price goes. I do think it's a really great value. You get, I believe, between 5 and 6 deluxe and full-size items. It's a very fun, beautiful box. They do an amazing presentation job. I have not seen or looked at any sneak peeks because this is a paid-for box. I don't have PR and I don't do this for review. I totally just pay for this on my own. I've had this box since 2015. I've been a subscriber. And so this is like my honest review and opinion and all of those things. Like I said, it's not a paid-for box, so I don't get it as soon as the other channels do. So anyway, like I said, I didn't review anything or see sneak peeks. So anyway, let me stop rambling. Always comes in this beautiful box. They are always on point with their box. Super cute and adorable. During like certain months, like Valentine's or Christmas or whatever the holiday may be, they do a themed box, but otherwise you get this beautiful pink box. Always just a beautiful quality box. I use these to organize my makeup, even my makeup palettes that are on overflow, I can put them in here. And for some reason it always smells like my bubble bath from my childhood, so it gives me that little bit of nostalgia. So looks like we have macaroons on here. So we usually get this beautiful little setup, and you always take off, you take the bow off. And then you get this beautifully done little sticker and tissue paper. Usually in here, they do have the pricing and all of the items that you get. So, pretty super cute box for sure. All right, let's go ahead and rip off the paper. And again, it just smells really good. So there's a little sneaky peek there. So the first thing that I see are, looks like it says Soon Skincare Golden Eye 24 karat gold hydrogel eye patches. I want to try this because I get eczema under and around my eyes. So this is something I'm interested in trying. It says that this the single treatment is $6.30. So something I like about this pamphlet is it will give you like the deluxe size and the full size, so we're not sitting here having to guess. So there's that guy. 30 treatments, so a pack of 30 would be $54. So it says post cleanse, gently place patches under the eye area for 15 to 20 minutes. Sit back and relax while they work. So yeah, so I like this. So again, $6.50. Kind of, I don't know if you can kind of see in there how that kind of reminds me of a large condom. I know, I'm sorry. I can't be an adult about it. I had to say something about it. I couldn't just zip the lips on that. That's what it reminds me of. But anyway, on to the next item. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this little fancy stuff. Ooh, what's this? Espa, or I don't know if I'm saying it right, ESPA, eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing hand spray. Oh, Okay, I'm happy to give this a try. So on here it says bergamot and jasmine. But on the bottle it says eucalyptus and tea tree, so there must be different different flavors, different scents. This one is the Deluxe Mini, and it is $10 and $28 for a full size. This is an absolute essential, can still be pretty and pleasant to use. This quick drying hand sanitizer is infused with a luxurious blend of pure essential oils. With a 60% alcohol content, this effective antibacterial cleanser is perfect when you're on the go. Apply a dime-sized amount and rub thoroughly through your hands. So, okay, let's go ahead and... Oh yeah, that smells very good. Does feel very refreshing. I like it. I think it's good. I mean, I'm gonna definitely keep it in the car. It's something I would do, or will do. I definitely will be using that. Can't go wrong with that. Ooh, so then there's this cute little guy here. It's called Clean It Zero Tri-Pill Acid Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. Super cute little guy here. Ooh. So it's a very like thick cream. I don't know if you can, if you're gonna be able to see that in the camera. It's more like a balm. Ooh, and it just kind of like melts in your hand. Okay, so Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Pore Clarifying. This sherbet, this sherbet-like balm will remove even through waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. Its tri-pill acid blend, that's AHA, BHA, and LHA, helps remove dead skin cells, pores, and gently exfoliates. So we got something in Ipsy a while back that it's a cleanser and you just put it on your face and it just melts the makeup right off. Best like invention ever. So if this is anything like that, this is going to be an amazing product. Plus obviously it's always nice when it actually can do something for the skin and for the pores. It's like a double prizes in a way, double combo. So definitely excited to give that a try. So it didn't have much of a scent, but I kind of feel like, yeah, it doesn't really have much of a scent. I'm gonna try and show it to you on camera. It's very clear. It doesn't really have, like, you can see it's kind of shiny, but that's about it. There's, you know, not a whole lot to share on camera if you're not in person. But this this is a Deluxe Mini, and it's $3. Full size, 100 milliliters or 100 mLs is $22. So good there. I like that. Next, sorry, my nose is itching. Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting for all skin types. I don't even know how to say that. I think it's Fragile. This one is French. Must be, what does he say? Must be French? I don't know. Anyway, that's what I don't know. So this thing here is a Deluxe Mini. It is $26 for just this little guy. Full size is $79. Both effective and natural. This best-selling skin tone evening, I thought it said evening, or like evening, but it says evening serum, works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredient is 60 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. Like, this is almost every woman's dream come true. Like stretch marks, pregnancy stretch marks. It just says pregnancy marks. What is this fountain of youth stuff I must open? Ooh, okay, let's see. Has a very clean, fresh scent. It's very illuminating, like very, well, I guess sheer is the actual word. It feels very good on the skin. Oh, I like. Huh. Yeah, it has a very light scent, but it smells really good. And it also says that it helps reduce sun pigmentation. So I like that because now that I've gotten older, I do have sunspots, and it's crazy because I never needed sunblock because I always would just tan. But of course, when you're a little kid, you don't realize like you should, even though you're tanning and not burning, like you should still protect your skin, like duh. But you know, as an adult, I'm aware of that now and trying to explain that to my children who think I'm an insane maniac hovering helicopter mom. But anyway, that's awesome. Like, I'm excited to use that on some spots. All right, where are we next? So, Intense, okay, what is this? Ultra Repair Serum. Oh, this is that First Aid something brand. I've only tried this once before through Ipsy, and I did really like it. It says it's intense hydration for sensitive skin, pink grapefruit. All right, so this one's a deluxe mini also, and it is $5. Full size is $36. Filled with nourishing ingredients. Sorry, my back is starting to hurt, and I got this weird like hair that keeps popping up. Okay. Filled with nourishing ingredients, including shea butter and collodial oatmeal. Its fresh citrus scent moisturizer will leave your skin feeling comfortable and hydrating after just one use. Now that is something that I would like to try. Just one use. And for some reason, these things always poop on me. See that? It's just going. It's like just going. It can't hold it, man. It's like, ah. Okay, so there we go there. Obviously, it's just like a lotion, thick cream. Ooh, yes. Oh, it does have that tint of what? Pink grapefruit. Oh, I love the scent of, I don't like the way grapefruit tastes, but I love the way it smells. One of my favorite things, what I used to do when I would work out, I know I'm like all chubby bubby, chubby. I would put essential oil drops of grapefruit in my water with lemon, and it was delicious. It didn't taste anything like the regular grapefruit, so I was okay with that. My grandma always ate grapefruit, and I couldn't stand it. It's too bitter. Anyway, enough of that. Last but not least is this Cab, K-A-B. I would say that's Cab Cosmetics Lip Gloss. So it looks like this is our only makeup item in this box. So it's all beauty this month, which that's okay. I have tried this brand before, and I do believe it was in this box or Look Fantastic. It is a great quality, very nice. It is in the color Sugar and Spice. And you know, sugar and spice and everything nice. It's a mauve color. Here is the applicator. Very pretty. Oh, I like it. Oh, that's really pretty for like if you want to just use it to lighten up the inside of your lip after you've lined it. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's like a pearl pink color. That is delightful, if I might say so myself. So this one is, obviously this is a full size, and it's $18. This Dusty Rose Beige, that is a good way to explain this. Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss Provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. I would agree. It's non-stick formula and sweet vanilla cupcake scent. Does smell like cupcake or vanilla. Will give your lips a long-lasting gloss. No, not too sticky. A little, I mean it's lip gloss, but not too sticky. Okay. All right, so let's do a quick little recap of everything, and then I will put the pricing somewhere on the screen. So we got the lip gloss, we got the deep hydration lotion, we got the eye patches, we got the eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing spray, or like antibacterial spray, and this Clean It Zero Pore makeup. It's like a makeup remover type thing. So we got all 5 of these items. This obviously is not like our bigger subscription boxes. However, for $21 a month, you do get usually between or above the $60 mark, which I think is fine for a $20 box. I'm happy with it. And again, the quality of these boxes are just amazing. The things that you can reuse them for, you can re-gift in them, all kinds of things. So please let me know if you liked your Glossy box this month. I don't believe there's a lot of different variations out there, but if you did get this variation or the same color lip gloss, what did you think? And if you are interested in this subscription, I will leave the link down below. Thank you, and have a great rest of your week. Bye!